Market is moving upward on the price of Bitcoin, and if you check the channel right here, I've said already that market is going to retrace this very weekend. Look at it right here. BTC should retrace, correct, this weekend. Don't expect much retracement from ETH. Pepe will always retrace or correct, and then the rate cut next week is an assurance. This is very important. So let's go deep into the technical analysis for this very moment. And if you come to coin market cap, you discover that the global crypto market capitalization have increased significantly to $4.02 trillion. Very great. The altcoin index have shifted forward a little bit to 67. Good. And this is the beginning, in my opinion, of the aggressive pump in the market. So let's look at all of this and put things into perspective. The first thing here is the price of Bitcoin. Like I said earlier, what I am expecting is the price of Bitcoin to correct, okay? And that correction should be at this very point, okay? So market should, within this very area of 117, and this very area where the market is right now, okay? Market should have correction, that's retracement. So from here, market should retrace and then continuation to the upside. In fact, I don't expect the market to dump again below this very price level of $107K. This is my personal opinion, okay? You may have something very contrary to this, and that is very okay, but what I am looking at is for the market not dump below this very point again, not at all. Of course, anything can happen in the market. You can make that argument. That is very true. Market can dump from where it is right now because crazy thing can happen, dump from here and crash all the way to the downside. But that is not what I'm looking at. I am looking at the market retrace this weekend, and that retracement should happen within this very area, okay, to the downside. And I'll show you the retracement level where markets will come into before the next move to the upside in my video tomorrow. And this is very, very important. So expect retracement for BTCUSDT 4-hour chart, and for ETH right here, I am also expecting retracement, not much. In fact, any retracement I see on ETH will be very, very negligible. That is what I said right here on the Telegram channel. Don't expect much retracement from ETH. Why? Because the price right now on the 4-hour and the 1 day is very strong. Very strong bullish momentum is building up already on price action. What we need to see next is manifestation of this very bullish pressure that is already on price action from this technical standpoint. And that is what I'm personally looking at right now. And this is very, very important. So it will be wise for you to also keep your eye on this, even though it's not what you are looking at this present time. So from here is where I am expecting market to approach this very weekend, since I am not expecting much retracement on ETH, this very point where market is already approaching, okay? And then I'm going to tell you where market is going to go next in my next video tomorrow. And this is very important, guys. And a lot of altcoin is going to be moving all the way upward because of ETH is gradually moving upward. In my last video, to be very specific, I said that if ETH break out right here, okay, and we're going to see the market move upward on this level of resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance here. If it breaks out, we're going to see the market move upward. And if it breaks down, we're going to see the market continue downward in the next 1 week. So since it has broken out, it means that we're going to see the market continue, okay, upward in the next 1 week, in my opinion. This is my personal opinion. And this is what I am looking at right now on this price action. So pay attention to this, guys. It's important you be in the right direction of the market. In fact, being in the right direction of the market must not be all the time, okay? You can be 70% in line and you are correct and you are profitable. You can be 80% in line with the market and you are profitable. So this is it. just apply your proper risks and money management into your trading and stick to it. Very important. So this is what I am expecting on ETH. It should move a little bit into this area, okay, and that is my expectation. Not much retracement. If you come to Pi, look at what Pi is doing. I talk about this very resistance in my immediate last video. If you are following, market broke out, okay, so my target was for market to reach here, and I said that if markets break out here, that for sure market is going to hit here as target. Exact same thing. This is just very, very sweet. Look at it, and market is still going to move upward and close in right here for Pi, in my opinion. And this is what you need to pay attention to as well. So not much thing on the price of Pi right now. The most important thing is that this movement is going to continue into this very area. And right now, I am now also looking at a possible breakout, okay, around this very area. That means when market come into this point, a possible breakout right here is what I am also paying attention to right now on the price of Pi. This is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys. It's very important moving forward. And if you come to Sol, of course, Sol, I was expecting the market to move into this very area of 230 before retracement, but I know for sure that the ETF filing probably will get approval, and that is what is making Sol to move all the way to the upside. So looking for retracement on the price of Sol will not be a great idea, although retracement is going to happen. But the most important thing is Sol is going to move upward despite any retracement. It's going to still move upward. And for the fact that, in my personal opinion, I have confirmed that the rate cut is going to definitely happen next week. It may not happen, but that is my own take. Market is going to do well in the next coming weeks. Guys. And this is the beginning of the altcoin season we were all waiting for. If you come right here, $4.02 trillion for global market capitalization. Altcoin index 67 over 100. This is the beginning. Like I said, between 60, 70 over 100 is the beginning of the pump. And that's what we are seeing right here on the price of Bitcoin. This is what we are seeing on the price of ETH. We are seeing that as well on the price of Pi. We are seeing on the price of Solana. This is the beginning. Okay, so if you have not invested or buy your favorite altcoins, the time is right now. Personally, I have, so I don't need to worry. Market should go upward. And if you are not on this channel yet, I will be dropping the coins you should be holding again on this channel, my personal opinion on those coins, and what I think is going to do in the next coming weeks and months. And this is very important. So if you've not joined the channel, link in the description of this video, join right now, and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel, okay? Join right now to receive even many more updates and be in line with the market participant, especially in this upcoming move that is going to enter the market very, very soon. So these are the things you need to pay attention to right now. Very brief video. And tomorrow I'm going to do a very intensive exclusive video for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pi, and Solana. All of these very important. Pay attention to all of this. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right now if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification, and also leave a like for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.